so sweet and fine. Book B for ball that bounces all the time. Cookie for cat who purrs and cuddles too. D for dog who wags his tail for you. E for elephant who never forgets. F for fish who swims in the water so neat. G for giraffe who stretches up so high. H for hat that keeps us dry and warm inside. I for igloo where we can hide and play. J for jacket that keeps us cozy every day. K for kite that flies up in the air. L for lion who roars with pride and care. M for mouse who scurries out of sight. And N for nest where birds take flight. O for ocean where waves crash and roar. P for penguin who waddles on the shore. Q for queen who wears a crown so bright. R for robot who moves with all his might. S for sun who shines with warmth and light. T for tiger who roars with might and main. U for umbrella that keeps us dry in the rain. V for violin that plays a sweet refrain. W for whale who swims in the ocean so blue. X for x-ray that shows us what's